In this video, we will see how you can use FlyonUI MCP server in your project. FlyonUI MCP server comes with three main commands. First one is /CUI, second one is /IUI, and the last one is /RUI. Let's take a look at these commands one by one. First of all, let's start with /CUI. /CUI command is mainly used when you want to reuse the structure and feel of existing FlyonUI block to suit your specific use case. You can either let the MCP server pick the best match for your request, or you can also specify the exact block ID to match with. So let's see it in action. Here we will use /CUI command and pass a prompt to build a hero section for social media post scheduling tool that look like a hero 8. And let our MCP server do its work. Here is the result of our feature section. In the second example, we will use /CUI command with a prompt to build a feature section. Now MCP server will find the best feature section that suit with our project and implement it. Here is the result of our feature section. Now let's take a look at our next command /IUI. This command is mainly used when you want to create a unique UI block inspired from our existing FlyonUI Pro blocks. In this example, I am passing /IUI command with a prompt to create a hero section for AI customer support chatbot landing page. Now it will take the inspiration from our existing FlyonUI Pro blocks and create a fresh UI. Please note that this may take some time. And here is the final result. And our last command is /RUI. We can use this command to update, tweak, or fine-tune any existing FlyonUI block, whether it is generated by our MCP server or you have manually created it. This is the go-to command for your edits like layout changes, update themes, text update, or adding or removing any UI elements. Let's look at it in action. In our first example, we will use /RUI command and ask it to replace the Get Started button with Login and Register buttons. And here is the result. Now, in second example, we will update the theme to the soft. And here is the result. And in our last example, we will redesign a hero section such that the text will be on the left and other info will be on the right section. And here is the result.